Children, a variety of crops are grown all over the world to meet the requirements of the growing population and also to supply raw materials to the agro-based industries. Now we can classify crops into three major things. They are food crops, fiber crops and beverage crops. And in this chapter we will learn about four food crops, that is rice, wheat, millets and maize. Fiber crops we learn about jute and cotton, and beverage crop, that is tea and coffee. Okay, beverage means which is going to drink. Okay, so these are the three main types of crops. So we will learn about the four major food crops of the world. They are wheat, rice, maize and millets. Now we will look into the soil required for these crops, the climate required and the areas where they are produced, who are the leading producers, and the areas where it is mostly grown. Into the first major food crop, that is rice. It is one of the major food crops of the world and it is a staple diet in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Now the climate required for rice is high temperature, high humidity and high rainfall. Everything is required in lots of amount. Soil is not mentioned here, but it requires alluvial clayey soil, okay, which can retain water. And you can see China is the leading producer of rice, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. And in West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 or 3 crops are grown in a year of rice. Children, the major areas of rice production are Egypt, India, China and Japan. Children, let's look at the next major food crop, that is wheat. Okay, wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during the growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. When it is about to be cut, it requires bright sunshine. And the soil is not mentioned again here. It actually requires well drained loamy soil. And you can see it is extensively grown in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Australia, India. And in India, wheat is grown in the winter season. Now let us see the major areas of wheat production on the world map. You can see it's Canada, Argentina, then we have Ukraine, India and Australia. So these are the major areas of wheat production in the world. Children, we look at the third major food crop, which is millet. And it is also known as coarse grain and it grows well in less fertile and sandy soil. It needs very little rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. And there are 3 types of millet which are grown in India. They are called as jowar, bajra and ragi. And in other countries they are grown like Nigeria, China and Niger. Children, now let us see the major areas of millet growing areas on the world map. And you can see these are the 4 major areas: India, China, Nigeria and Niger. Children, we learn about the 4th major food crop, that is maize. Now maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine, and it requires well drained fertile soil. And where is it grown mostly? It is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. So we have learned about the 4 major food crops: wheat, rice, millets and maize. You must remember, wheat is grown in winters in India, and millet, the other name for millet, is also called as coarse grain. Children, now let us look at the major areas of maize on the world map. You can see here it is Canada, United States, Mexico, Brazil, India, China, Russia. These are the major areas of maize production.